Hello everyone, Larry with Larry the Computer Guy here. We're an IT managed service provider in Commerce, Michigan. We specialize in cybersecurity and HIPAA compliance. So today's security tip for you is don't download anything you're not authorized to download. There are many ways you can transfer large files to your intended recipient. There are websites like Sendy, ShareIt, Send Anywhere. Do not use these sites to transfer files that require security. They do not offer security on free sites. You need to have a paid subscription in order to be able to transfer files securely. We recommend Rmail. Rmail not only can you send encrypted files, but they also have a large file option and transfer that is totally secure. Please do not use free Dropbox account or a OneDrive account, Google Drive, because they are not secure. They've been hacked notoriously. You put files up there that are sensitive and they get hacked, and guess what? They're going to have all your information. So the next tip is always check with your IT company before downloading anything. There's a lot of things out there on the internet that look like they're legit, but you can easily go to the wrong website and download the wrong program, and before you know it, your hackers have all your information. So please click on the subscribe button located here. Please give us a thumbs up and leave your comments below. Please follow the government's recommendations for social gathering. Stay safe out there.